Hello, this is the second sum of government textbook, that is sum number 5 as mentioned over here. This is page number 285. You will find it on the government textbook. Now we are going to mark the sum. Amol draws a bill. Draw a bill on Atul for 24,000 on 6th October 2019 for 3 months. Atul accept the bill on the same date. Amol sent a bill to the bank for collection. We are doing it what? We are marking the journal entries as mentioned in the last video. On 20th October 2019, before the due date, Atul find himself unable to make the payment of the bill, means the bill is dishonored, and requested Amol to renew it. Amol agrees the proposal on the condition that Atul should pay 10,000 in cash along with interest rupees 800 and accept new bill for 2 months. For the balance, Atul retire the bill on 12th January by paying rupees 13,500. So we had found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 entries in this sum. As I draw the journals, date particulars, left debit rupees, credit rupees in the journals of, they had given us give journal entries in the books of Amol. Amol draws a bill, so Amol is what? Drawer. So this sum is what? In the books of drawer. Drawer. First entry. Amol draws a bill on Atul for 24,000 on 6th October 2019. Year 2019, 6th October. So draws a bill. Main bill is drawn by Amol. So Amol is a drawer. Bills receivable. Bills receivable is assets. Assets are always debit. The amounts which is going to come from the drawee to drawee is who? Atul. Atul is a personal account, so Atul is the creditor giver. Atul's account. Bill is assets and bill is made by us, that is Amol, so it is kept by us only, so it is debit, and Atul is the creditor giver, that's why he is credit. The amount is 24,000. Narration. Being well drawn and accepted. Bill is not just drawn, it is accepted. It is given over here. Atul accept the bill on the same date. Then the second entry. Amol sent the bill to the bank for collection on 20 October 2019 as 20 October. Amol does what? Bill sent to the bank for collection. When bill is made by us, it is debited. It is kept by us, it is debited. But it is gone to bank, so it will be credited, because bills receivable is a real account because he is assets. So bill is collected by bank for collection. Bank for collection is a department which is kept by bank, and it is a personal account, so they will receive the bill, that is debit the receiver, they are the receiver of the bill, and bill is debited by us. When it is debited, now it is going to be credited. Why it is credited? Because we are giving the bill to the bank for collection. Amount will be the same, that is 24,000. Both sides same. Being bill sent to the bank for collection. Now the third entry, before the due date, Atul find himself unable to make the payment. Even it is given the before due date, we are going to find the due date. The first bill is made on 6th October for 3 months. So now we will count this from 6th October, that is 3 months, that is 6th November, 6th December and 6th January. Now at this time what happened? The year changes. So year changes means what? You need to write the year it again. That is 2020. 6th January is there. Then 3 grace days, 7 January, 8 and 9. So our due date is what? 9th January. At that date, what happened? Before the due date, Atul find himself unable to make the payment of the bill and requested Amol to renew it. So bill is what? Bill is dishonored. Whatever the situation may be, whenever the bill is dishonored, the drawee account will be debited, because the first benefit of bill dishonored will go in the account of the drawee. So drawee is the receiver of that benefit. So Atul's account debit. 2. Bill is sent to the bank for collection department. When the bank for collection department collects our bill, they are debited. Now they will be credited. Bank for collection. Amount again same. That is 24,000. Being bill renewed. Why it is renewed? Because it is told by the drawee itself. Then next, Atul agrees to the proposal on the condition that Atul should pay 10,000 in cash along with interest. Now the Amol has told Atul that I will agree for the dishonor, but you should fulfill some condition. You should pay 10,000 in cash along with interest. Whenever the part payment, this cash is known as part payment, is given in the sum along with interest, then interest entry should be done first and after the part payment. So now we are going to make the entry of interest. 10th January. Interest is put on the Atul. So Atul will be the receiver of that interest. Atul's account debit. 2. Interest is a nominal account. It will be benefited for us. It will give us extra amount from Atul. So it is credit all income and gain. The interest is rupees 800. Narration. Being interest charged. After charging interest, we are going to make the entry of part payment. Now the condition is what? Atul should pay 10,000 in cash along with interest. Means the 10,000, the cash itself plus 800 interest. So cash is going to be received by Amol, means it is received by us. We are in the books of drawer. So cash account debit. No need to write cash bank account because specifically given the cash to this cash is given by Atul. Atul is a personal account, credit the giver. 10,000 plus 800 interest, that is 10,800. Narration. Being part payment received along with interest. Now the next and last entry, and second last entry, and accept the new bill for 2 months for the balance. Now what is this balance? The total bill is 24 less PP. That PP means part payment. Part payment has been made of 10,000. So remaining amount will be 14,000. That is what the balance, where we are going to make the balance entry. That is a new bill. We are make it on the same date, that is 10th January. New bill, again the first entry we had already written, same entry, bills receivable account debit. Why first entry? Because bill is going to made again, because the first bill was dishonored and this is the second bill with the same person in the same sum. That's why the entry will be the same to Atul's account. The amount will now changed to 14,000. 14,000 is the balance of 24,000, and the 10,000 part payment is deducted from it. Narration being new bill drawn and accepted. Now the last entry, Atul retires the bill on 12th Jan. Now Atul retires the bill. Retire means what? Atul has paid up the bill before its due date. This bill is made for 2 months, but Atul has retired this bill in next 3 days. Atul retires on 12th January 2020. 12th January. Now bill is retired means bill is what? Honored. Honored means what? The payment has made successfully. So the payment is given by Atul. It is not cleared how he does the payment. So we are going to write cash bank account debit. Then Atul has paid us only 13,500. Now the amount remaining is 14,000, but Atul has paid us only 13,500. Means he asked us for the extra discount. This extra discount at the time of payment is known as rebate, and this rebate is a nominal account, so it is a loss for us. 2. After clearing the payment, we will give the bill to the customer. When bill comes, it is debited. When bill goes, it is credited. So actual bill amount is 14,000. That is the second bill. 13,500 is received by us. So rebate will be 500. Being bill retired. Now this will be our sum.